Welcome to Mathenatic. In this video, we'll focus on an exam type question based on sequences and series. And this is our last video for this playlist. The number of members of a new social networking website doubles every day. On day 1, there was 27 members. The first question is, how many members will there be on day 12? So we know that this series is geometric because the word doubles tells us that the constant ratio is 2. And 27 represents term 1 or the A value. So if A is 27 and the ratio is equals to 2, then we can find the number of members on day 12 by using the geometric sequence formula as we have it on our formula sheet. So we simply substitute A with 27, the ratio R with 2, and N with 12. So therefore, there are 55,296 members on day 12. The next question says, the site earns half a cent per member per day. Calculate the amount of money the site earned in the first 12 days. Give your answer to the nearest rand. So for my approach here, I'm using a sum because we want to find an amount, so that means the sum of. But what we need to focus on is not the half a cent that they earn per day, but we actually need to focus on the amount of members of growth or sum of members per day. So if there is 1 member on day 1, then on the second day there's 27 plus 54 members, and this continues all the way up to day 12. But on day 1, they earn half a cent on 27 members, and on day 2, they earn half a cent on 27 plus 54 members, and that continues all the way to day 12. So I want to figure out what's the sum up to day 12. So on day 1, we have 27 members. The ratio is 2, and we're going up to day 12. So therefore, the sum or the total is 110,565. This does not represent the amount of members on day 12, but it rather represents the amount of half a cent that we earned over that period. So if I earn half a cent per day, that means we will earn 110,565 half cents every single day. So I just multiply that by a half, and that gives me 55,282.5 cents. And if I convert that to rand, it's roughly 553 rands over the first 12 days. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to Mathenatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.